Political analysts and the civil society activists have said that the Indian media has become a propaganda tool for the Bharatiya Janata Party, especially regarding Pakistan and the Kashmir dispute. The political activists and the civil society activists in their statements in Srinagar said that the Indian media is notorious for fabricating stories and spreading disinformation, particularly targeting the Pakistan. All parties Hurriyat Conference has strongly condemned the Bharatiya Janata Party government's Hindutva onslaught aimed at depriving the Kashmiris of their typical cultural and religious identity in occupied Kashmir. APHC spokesman Advocate Abdul Rashid Minhas, in a statement in Srinagar, denounced an indecent fashion show in the Gulmarg in the Baramulla district during the month of Ramadan. Controversy surrounding an obscene fashion show in the Gulmarg has raised questions about who truly holds the authority in occupied Kashmir, as the Chief Minister Umar Abdullah has sought a report from the administration following the public outrage. Umar Abdullah acknowledged the widespread anger, calling it totally understandable. Heated exchanges erupted in occupied Kashmir Assembly as the National Conference and the other members accused New Delhi of hushing up the recent Kathua killings and the controversial fashion show in the Gulmarg. Interestingly, the opposition BJP members briefly mentioned the Kathua killings and insisted on continuing the question hour, prompting strong objections from the National Conference, the People's Democratic Party and the independent MLAs. National Conference senior leader and the member of the parliament from occupied Kashmir, Agha Sayyidullah Mehdi, has expressed shock over the reports of the indecent fashion show amid the holy month of Ramadan held at the world-famous Sky Resort Gulmarg. He said that the event showed an utter disregard for the Kashmiri sentiments and demanded action against the officials and the organizers. Several Hindutva groups have flooded the social media platforms with the AI-generated semi-pornographic photos, videos and the post of the Muslim women to target the community.